On the last spar I made, I was really wishing that I had a plane that had a concave sole to it with a blade in there so I could round it out. So I've been looking online and I found a fella who was selling some planes, and I saw that we had a couple of nice wood-bodied ones. So I went and had a look at them, and lo and behold, that's exactly what I was looking for. Is a wood-bodied plane with a concave sole to it. In fact, both of them have it here. Now this one's been kind of worked on a little bit, and there's some extra parts and pieces in here. I got myself a number 3 or 4 Stanley here. It's got a broken tote, so it can be used for parts and pieces. This Stanley here, the body's actually been broken, but the blade and the cap and the handle on the front here and all can be used on another body. We've got another wood-bodied or wood sole here. It actually has a concave blade as well. The sole is very mildly concave. And again, we've got parts and pieces here that I can use. Tote looks to be repaired. But I could literally take out the whole assembly here and make a new wood body for it. Little 110 Stanley here. I got a bunch of those. I'll probably just donate that because it's kind of chipped and broken as well. Probably another little 110. Well, this is a Shelton, made in the USA. You know, it could use a good cleanup, but you never know. All of these little planes, give them a good cleaning, add some new parts to them, and they're good. Also, probably the most valuable piece in here is the Stanley Bailey number 6. All the pieces are here. It is a corrugated sole. I already have a number 6. So again, I'll probably clean this one up. The Japanning is looking in pretty good shape. So I'll probably clean this one up and put it up for sale. So all in all, really what I was looking for was this. I may have to reshape the sole a bit more, or you leave this one with the concave the way it is. Take the smaller one here and concave it even more because it's not as wide a body. But again, there's no blade in it, so we're going to have to figure all of that out. A couple extra blades and caps in here, all can be tuned up, dialed in. This one's pretty heavy and pretty rusty, or looks like it's just got oil all over it. Anyhow, I think that was a pretty good find for, I think I paid $100 for the whole thing.